Hi guys, it's Peter from my daily RV life. I'm a little bit excited today because I got something in the mail. I was waiting on it for 2 weeks. Always thought I'm not gonna get it, but it came today. And I want to do a little review on it because it's $0 phone service. You can text and make phone calls in the United States for free. It's completely free. It's from TextNow, and let me show what I got. So TextNow, it's been in business for a while. They started with you could text on Wi-Fi for free, so you didn't need a phone service, but you had to have Wi-Fi. No, they changed. You can get a SIM card, and you don't need Wi-Fi anymore to make phone calls or to text. There's no data included in that SIM. So, but you'll be able to purchase data separately. But the prices are just outrageous. I'm going to show you later. So that's not worth it. But we are talking about here just plain phone service and texting for free. You can keep your number, you can port your number over, or you can get a new number from them. It's all free. You can buy a phone number from them that locks it in for life, but you don't have to. You just pick a phone number, and if you use it once a week, either make a text or make a phone call, you're never going to lose that number. And basically, it's a really, really free phone service. You get a little bit of ads, but they're not intrusive. I can live with it. They just pop up once in a while, and they don't bother me at all. But if you don't like ads, you can even buy for, I think it starts at $1.99 to block those ads, so then you don't have any ads anymore. Well, let's see how it works. So I got an old iPhone 7 that I don't use anymore because they don't get upgraded anymore. Software won't update, so just laying around. And I want to use the card to show you how it works. So turn it on, and as you can see, it says no SIM. So that phone's not on any carrier. Now we use that nifty tiny tool and open the tray. Get it out. Here it is. Now we're gonna turn the phone off. Slide it off, turn it off. Now we get the SIM card. Put it in that little tray. Just like this. It's only one way it can fit in there. There's a little notch, a little edge. It won't fit any other way. And you just slide it into the phone. Just like this. Slide it in there. Make sure it's completely closed. It clicks when you put it in there. And then you turn your phone back on. Takes a second. As I said, I wanted to try this the whole time, and finally I got it in the mail, and it's totally free. I have to take that back. You pay $4.99 for the SIM card, so it's a one-time payment for $4.99 to get the SIM card. So now, as you can see, when you look at the phone, it says TextNow. I don't know if you can see it. It's not focusing very good. But I guess you can see it. There it is. So it's on there. But what you have to do now, every Android phone does it by itself, every Samsung phone. If you have an iPhone, you have to do some extra steps to get it going, which is you have to go, but everything is written on this card here, but it says you have to go open settings, select cellular, go to data network, and then add TextNow point static into cellular data, and then add TextNow static under LTE setup. And that's it. Then they tell you you have to go on airplane mode for 10 seconds, turn airplane mode back on, and it's all set. So I got a phone number already with it. Everything is set up. Let me make a phone call and see how it works. And to make a phone call and text, you have to use the TextNow app. You cannot use the normal phone app that's on your phone. You have to go to the TextNow app. So, let me see. I'm going to make a phone call. To the phone where I'm recording right now. It's just something I want to play around with, have it as a backup. Maybe in the future, I'm going to switch over, but I don't know yet. But if it works, why not? Saving some money. We all try to save some money. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked it. Worth a thought, I guess. You can look it up online. You can read a ton of reviews. You can read a ton of posts about TextNow. The app is available for iOS and for Android. So you can even use it on your laptop, PC, but not the card. You need to have Wi-Fi for that one. And okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye.